The Swiss Army knife of utility software is the text editor. Microsoft provides us with Notepad and WordPad. Notepad can read, display, modify, and write ASCII text files and little else. WordPad does essentially the same thing with rich format text files. Notepad++, or NPP, does the same things and so much more. But NPP is not a word processor. Yes, it was designed for software developers, but please don't hold that against it. Today, many computer users are involved to varying degrees with websites, applications, or scripts. Websites are comprised of many text files with different kinds of structures: HTML, ASP, PHP, and CSS. NPP also understands C, C++, COBOL, ASM, Fortran, Lisp, Java, Perl, Python, SQL, Visual Basic, VBA, and most every script a Windows user might need. NPP can mark up the structure, delimitate elements and inclusions, and recognize keywords.
Here is a HTML file in Notepad. Quite unremarkable, just a bunch of text. Understanding the structure of HTML, cascading style sheets, or other language structures is beyond the scope of this presentation. But using NPP is a credible first step in learning how these structures work. NPP's markup would surely be helpful to the novice who must navigate through these types of files. Here's the same file in NPP. Elements and keywords stand out. Variable value, standard text in black are all marked up. Here's a cascading style sheet in Notepad. Again, notice how everything fairly runs together. Difficult to tell the structures. No determination of variable value pairs. Here's the same file in NPP. Click on the curly bracket and it shows you its including member. NPP has a compare function. We have a split screen now that is available in NPP. We also can synchronize the vertical and horizontal scrolling. We can then go through the file and look at changes that were made. They're displayed for us in light brown. Here's another set of changes. And I'm sure every once in a while you have come across this kind of file and wondered what it contains. NPP has a hex editor. Invoke the hex editor and we now get a more intimate look at what is going on inside that file, and we can tell what is actually text and what is binary.